Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to fix your missing toolbars or ribbon tab in your Microsoft Word. Just like what you see on my screen right here, accidentally, you might hide your ribbon unknowingly, and how you get it back. Like for instance, if you're working with the design tab, then when you click on the design tab, you find out that the design tab is open. But when you try to work on a certain things, so for that, what you need to do is to still go back to the home right here. So getting to the home tab, you want to keep all this ribbon from the float of your work right here. Next thing you want to do is to come to this side right here. Go ahead and click on this particular icon. Pin the ribbon tab. Go ahead and click on that. Then it's going to be pinned just like so. Now, if you want to work on anything, let's say I want to make a type live is good, just like so, and I want to add some effect, I can decide to highlight, then I can go to the home tab right here, then I can decide to work on different things as the case may be. I can come here and increase the font size, I can change the color right here, I can change the alignment right here, I can go ahead and continue to increase the font size as the case may be. Then you can see that I still maintain my ribbon right here. So if I go to another tab like Design tab, so we still have all our ribbon successfully appear. You go to Layout tab, then you come back to your workspace right here. You still have everything appear on the home tab right there. The same thing as references, mailings, review, and view as the case may be. It's that simple. If you find this video useful, let me know in the comment section down below. And lastly but not the least, remember to subscribe for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Microsoft. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.